How to tie a bandana. Easy steps, let's go. Come on. You just have to straighten, make sure you get the right size. By folding it into a triangle form, it will be easy for this type of style we're about to tie. So you measure it, you get it on your head, you time it, get the sharp point straight, putting it together, and then you tie up. I have full hair, so it can't really be clean and smooth as someone who has a low hair. But if I can do it with this my hair, probably you can if you don't have hair full like mine. So it's that easy. You just insert it and you pull. It's kind of easy, it's no big deal, just something when you learn it once you can do it. So I'm trying to cover the spaces to make sure my hair isn't showing, even though the hair is thick and full. So I just have to manage, and if I can tie it too, probably you can. Make sure we get it right. It's just something once you tie, you gauge, make sure it's well covered. It should look professional, and then you tie. See, you have to squeeze that little triangle that is showing outside too. You squeeze it in, okay, and then you roll it, and then you draw it to tie it again. See, that's easy. Not a big deal, okay? Not a big deal, right? You see, that's all. See, with my hair that's full, I can tie it and my hair isn't even showing at the top, you see. That's how you just have the two dangling down. As easy as that. For more tutorial about bandana, I'm good to go. That's right. Peace.